Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, my excellencies. Hope you're all doing great today. Now I want to look at changing the width of a column today. It's me, Sammy here, as always. Now, like I said, we are looking at changing the width of a column. That's our focus for today. Now when you enter text in a column, that chooses small room than the column width allows. You can always enlarge the column by dragging the separator between the column headings. So let's take, for example, I have this word. By typing this word in this column, in this cell, salespersons, now I can see that it spills into the next cell. It doesn't contain within this cell. So to change the width of that column, I can do it. You can easily change the width of the column by coming to the column heading. Take notes, not within the worksheet. Come to the column heading. Okay. And when I place my mouse pointer between the separators, there I can see this two-way arrow. So I can use that to actually click and drag. As I drag, I can see a line that shows me how far the width will increase when I release the mouse. So that's how we can get it done. Another way I can actually get that done, if I come to the column heading, come here, I double click. See, it auto sizes it. It auto sizes it so much so that it can accommodate the largest text or the largest data in that column. If I have other text or whatever data in the column, clicking that picks the largest and then auto sizes so that it can accommodate the largest data or the largest content within that column. That is another way you can actually change the width of a column. Now, another thing I can actually do, say I want to uniformly increase the width of several columns at the same time. Now let's say I want B, C, D, and E, and I want to increase their width, but I want it to be uniform. If I try doing it manually, of course, I could never get it done. It's not be uniform. Okay, so let's say I want to approximately guess. Now you see that one will be bigger than the other and stuff like that. So to get it done this time around, I have to select the columns in the column header. Don't forget, we are working with the column header now, not within the worksheet. Take note, not within the worksheet. Okay? So I come to the column header, I select as many columns as I want to increase. I want to change the width. Changing the width tells whether I want to reduce it or increase it. So let's just use that term. Let's not say increase. Say we want to change the width of the column. So I do that. I select as many as I want to change their width. Then I come to any separator between any of them. Now click, and I have that two-way arrow. Click, hold down, drag. So that way it increases all the selected columns uniformly. Okay, so that's how we can change the width of a column. Now same thing we did with the column, same thing can also be applied to our rows. So say I want to increase my row also, I can also do that. Come here, drag, okay, to increase the width of the row. Okay, or if I want to increase several uniformly also, I also come here, say I want 3 to 6 to be increased. You need to resize them uniformly. Okay, I select as many rows as I want to change the width. Then I come as a separator of either of them, and I like so, and it changes the size, changes the width uniformly. So that's how we can actually change of a column or a row in Excel. Fairly easy. Remember, I'm working in the column header, not within the worksheet. So take note of that. Find it fairly easy. Thank you very much. Don't forget to engage me in the comment section. Like, share so that you can help us to grow. And subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.